Hi, this is Luke from Petrol Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Toyota 86, stock number 5949. This ran from 04 2012 to 09 2016. It has a FA 22 litre petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a FA 22 litre petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Front bonnet. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre. Right hand mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.